Welcome back everyone, I'm Sam with Solely Ryobi, and today we're going to be talking about something super exciting. But before we jump into that, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Also, for those that are not familiar with the channel, hit us up in the comments below and let us know what tools, Ryobi tools, you would like to see on our channel. So stay tuned for some cool and exciting products. All right, welcome back everyone. So Logan and I are big fans of a lot of the different lighting options that Ryobi has. We have quite a few of their different lights. One of my favorites is this light from Ryobi as well. This is a great high-low, really bright work light. There's lots of different options to be able to use this. We've used it everywhere from camping, hunting, times of, when power's out, but mostly it's used for around the garage. Now, the one thing about this is it's pretty awkward if you want to hold it. It's not something that you carry. This is something that has a stand to move around and stays in place. That's it. So I've been wanting a really bright light to go spotlighting with, which is one of those things I really like to do, and Ryobi actually has one. So this is the Ryobi Spotlight. It's the P717 is the actual model number. Now, this is 2,500 lumens of light output. Now, they claim the beam will go out to about 700 yards, which is actually pretty far. Not 100% sure how well that'll do. That's something that I'll have to test out and try out. But the other cool thing is this is just part of the Ryobi ONE Plus 18 volt family, which means any of your standard Ryobi batteries will work. Now, it says for a standard 4 amp battery, you get a total of about 5 hours of runtime. If you have a bigger 9 amp, you get like 20 hours. So the bigger the battery, obviously, the more runtime you get. And the other thing is it has a 12 volt automotive cord that you have to hook up to your truck or anything like that if you want to run it off your truck. So let's open this bad boy up and see what it's like. Of course, it's like Fort Knox in here. Whoa. So it comes with the operating manual, and here's your 12 volt automotive cigarette lighter, so to speak, cable to get it to work in your truck or your car. This is it, guys. This is a LED, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LEDs in here. Has a little handle here. Has the nice grip that you would come to expect on a lot of the Ryobi drills and stuff. It feels pretty much the same. The dual power, you can see the bottom here. We'll do a close-up. You can plug in this and boom, now you can see if it works in your truck. But this is what I'll probably be using it the most for. So this is great. So for times where you have in your truck where you just need a light, I actually would prefer this because I can use it if I need to move it, do anything like that. Interesting, it has there's 1, 2, 3. So there's high beam, low beam, and off. But this is great for being able to have in the truck to be able to, like you said, if you want to go spotlighting, obviously do it legal, don't do it illegally. But if you want to go spotlighting, or if you're out in the wilderness and you just need a light, this is a fantastic way. It's a more powerful handheld. It also, because it'll stay like this, you can use it as a stationary. The one nice thing about this light is you can then rotate also the beam to where you want it. So that's an advantage that you would have with one of these. But I don't think this reaches out to 700 yards. So the way this is designed, it's supposed to give you, you know, 700 yards of a beam so that you can see, which is really nice. Perfect for, you know, 700 yards at night. It's actually a long ways. So we're gonna test it out, see how it goes. Like I said, it has a high and low. It feels really nice, fits in with your standard batteries. 5 hours on the 4 amp and 20 hours on a 9 amp. So the bigger batteries, that's pretty impressive. Personally, in like an emergency scenario, I'm not 100% sure. It didn't say on the low beam how long it'll last. I don't know if that 20 hours or number is high beam or low beam. But for the most part, it'll get me through, you know, if there's an emergency scenario that I need a light for a little while, a breakdown or anything like this. So this is how bright it is. This is high beam, low beam, and so really bright, bright enough to make your eyes hurt. Am I convinced it's going to go 700 yards? No, but I'm here in my garage. My garage isn't 700 yards long. So we'll try that out and see how it goes. Great tool to actually have in my truck as a backup and for camping and hunting and all around, you know, having fun. So stay tuned. Obviously, we're going to do a little bit more testing of this when it's actually dark and we can go spotlight and check some things out. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you guys. I've been wanting a really light bright, I've been wanting a really bright light. The lens is supposed to get you a further trajectory, can't even say that. Logan's gonna want one of these to go spot for gators and for here in Utah, we don't have gators, but it's fun to go spotlight, moose and deer and elk and coyotes and all that fun stuff, and sometimes even rabbits. But it's illegal to spotlight with a gun in your vehicle, so don't do that.